I can't forget, you know, the best thing of the package, dog. Got to cook. Hold on, brother. Stuck, y'all. Oh, bam! Ah, sticker. Got it. Nigga love putting them tattoos on the bike.
Clayton County, baby.
Yeah, Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby. Yeah, Clayton County, baby. Yeah, Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby.
What's going on, YouTube? Hey, 125 back. Check this out. I know you read the thumbnail. That's right. We turned the YZ into a monster Supercross edition. Bruh. Made by me. I ain't trying to hear none of that sweet talk neither. Monster YZ Supercross edition. Made by me. I ain't trying to hear none of that. I said, you got to transform the YZ. You know what I'm saying? We finna go ahead and make this a Supercross Monster edition. You did? I know it's blue and white, and the monster is green like Kawasaki. I don't care about none of that. We monster edition it up. Supposed to be going to Durham Town. I don't know though. The guys want to go on Valentine's Day weekend. Come on, bro. I got a whole girl in here. You know what I'm saying? You know. Come on, bro. Anyway, I got a ton of new parts coming in. Ton of new parts that came in. I got like 4 boxes. Some shit still in the mail. So everything getting redid. New clutch, plates, all that friction disc, all that shifted. Yeah, we are. Everything new. You know what I'm saying? New brake caliber. Going to get new back tires. You know what I'm saying? Double up on everything. Got to double up going out there. You know. I got some other little perks. But yeah, man, back to the guts though. So as you can see, we're going to... Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Monster Energy little kit. Not much, just little stickers, you know. Just you know, I'm gonna go ahead and hit it in certain spots. Give it that transformation. We're gonna make it a Monster Edition. Pro Circuit exhaust, you know what I'm saying, all the way from the front to the back. You did? Stop playing, man. Anyway, Monster Edition. That's how we ride. I'm finna transform it real quick. I also went up there and got a little, I got a donut, I was hungry. I just got some little donuts, you know, little donuts that go on the inside of the throttle. But anyway, yeah, man. So just to get it ready for the trip. Even if I don't go, I'm gonna have the bike Monster Energy ready. You did? Straight like that. 125, baby, and that's how it goes. Oh man, that thing. You know, donuts really made it pop a little bit, you know what I'm saying? I like that. It's just to have, you know, if you don't have your gloves on, sometimes your skin right there, you know, you got your skin will get a little raw from that rubber. Oh, man. See, look at that. Hold on. Look how your muscle hit there. Like. Oh, man. Shout out Galaxy cameras. Stupid. That's what it was made by, you did. I can't read that. ID grips, OD grips, whatever. Yeah, man. Little soft padding. Get the job done. So let me go ahead and give y'all the before look now. As you can see, this the YZ. This the transformation since I got it. So if you've been watching the channel, you seen how it looked when I first got it. You seen all the shit I went through with it. So yeah, man, we done did a little upgrade. You know, put them eyes on there. But yeah, man, basically, we finna monster it up. We're gonna do a little, you know, something just when I go out there to Durham Town. But what the hell, you know, make them talk. That's all. But man, it's a bike, man. Do what you want to do, man. Let me tell you something. You spend your hard-earned work money on these toys. You you make it a sacrifice to, you know, we gotta sometimes, hey, I need to take a double shift. I need to goddamn woo just to go get a part. Man, do what you want to do. This your bike. You did? Don't let nobody tell you nothing. Like I said on the helmet, man, keep it fly. Get it fly, man. Let it drip out. Yeah, this my little homemade. Made me a little rack. So when your shit get wet and I spray it down, I can dry it out, let it hang outside. That's my son's shit, you know. Stop playing, he fly with it too. Nitro circus helmet. You know, I'm over here with the moves. I'm a little techie, but it's all good, man. It's my other clients and all the backup shit is, you did. But yeah, man. So like I said, we finna monster energy it up. Let you see the before and after. Hit you with the B-roll. Yeah, man, so I'm finna bust it on over and start monsterizing the YZ. You know what I'm saying? You see it right there. Playing, man. Damn Yamaha product, but anyway. Yeah, man. So I'm sitting here doing my saucing it up. Look out the window and seen the mailman drop something in the package box. It's coming and coming, so I'm about to bust this open. Yeah, I got it flipped over so y'all can't see the address. Y'all need to know where I'm living, you know what I'm saying? I need that. But anyway, yeah, man, so we about to see what's going on. Big alert. I just seen what came in the packages, man. It came early, bro. I can't be more happier, bro. All I'm waiting on is the clutch plate. When them clutch plates come, no, bro. Oh, man, it's over. But anyway, let me come show you what we got going on, man. This is a real deal review right here, man. This is something all y'all boys should think about investing in. Everybody overlooked these right here. But let me go ahead and get into it and show you what's going on. Alright. So, behind door number 1, what do we have? Yes, sir. Nothing major. I ain't have no chain guard, you know what I'm saying? So, over here, as you can see, I'm just straight chaining. So, yeah, man. Got to get that up on there. Protect my feet, protect everything. But, yeah, man. So, the monster, this the boss right here, though, y'all. This the one. This the package that matters. Y'all ready? Let's get on in now. Get on in there. What we got? Hold on. Oh man. The kid then got the new V-Force Freeze.